Hi guys, so I'm starting off with moisturizing my face. You can use any moisturizer that works for you, but for me, I like Vaseline to moisturize my face before the makeup. And now I'm filling my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I already have an eyebrow routine recorded in my channel. It's my last video, so if you haven't already, go check that out. But obviously I sped up my brows for the purpose of this video. And now I'm priming my eyelids with this NYX concealer. It works really good. You can also use, eyeshadow primer, but I'm just using concealer. Okay, now I'm starting on my eyes, and I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette with that brush right there. I forgot where I get it from, but y'all, literally, I splurged myself at Ulta today. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, most of the things that you see me using in this video, I literally bought the same day. But now I'm just going to cut my crease with this NYX glitter primer. You can use concealer if you like to, but this is just what I had on hand, so that's what I used. And I feel like it packs on a little bit more than the concealer in a way. And I'm using that shade in the Morphe palette again. A different shade, obviously. Now it's time for the lashes, and if you know me, you know I love lashes. Like, I don't understand how y'all see the difference between the lashes and like no lashes. Like, I can't even do a look without lashes nowadays. Like, it's crazy. But now I'm just priming my my face with a matte primer, and I'm just going in with color concealer just to hide up, just to clear any dark marks or any miscoloration. I can't even talk. Oh, what the heck? Okay, now I'm going to cream contour with this NYX palette. Luckily, it was in the clearance section at Ulta, so your girl got lucky. But you can use like a darker concealer, like for contour too. That's what I used to use. But yeah, it works the same. It works pretty good too. So now I'm going in with this concealer from NYX. It's like an HD concealer for full coverage, and I'd say I really do like it. I got it once as a gift, and it ran out, so I'm glad I got a new one actually. So, and I finally switched it up with my powder. I used to use as you guys know, I used to use the Sacha Buttercup powder, but I found this at the drugstore, and I had to get it, and I really do like it. And now you see me powder contouring my face with the Black Radiance contour palette. Y'all, I am in love with this not eyeshadow, what the hell? I am in love with this highlighter. Like, I don't understand. It's Now for my lips, I'm using this NYX soft matte soft matte lipstick, and it's really pretty. And then I outline my lips also with NYX. I love NYX so much. But after I sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu spray, and after that, that's the finished look.